Namaste everyone. This is Praveen Kalla. In this video, I'll show you how to change the line weight. I have drawn a line and a circle for both these objects. I changed the line weight to 0.80 mm. Now you can see on the screen, even though I changed the line weight, so there is no change on the screen. Now what is the problem? How to rectify this? First of all, you have to switch on the line weights command. Come to the taskbar, customization, and these icons which are with the tick mark are in display state. Line weight is not in display state. Select the line weight. Now see, this is the line weight command. This is in display state, but this is not in on state. So select this on. By selecting line weight on, automatically what I have given previously, they have been displayed on the screen. This is how you have to change your line weight properties. Thank you.